Greetings InkSoft users, this is JP Hunt with InkSoft, and in this video I'm going to showcase everything that you need to know about the product catalog that's available on InkSoft powered stores. But let's first start and bring definition and clarity between the difference between a product list component and the product catalog. There's a distinct difference and much value available in using the two together. So let's start with this. Here we are at an example InkSoft powered store and we're at the home page. So as we scroll through that homepage, of course, we'll see various components that are available in the InkSoft Store platform. One of those components is called the product list component, which allows you to showcase products on the homepage of an InkSoft powered store. And the purpose of doing that is to showcase products and bring attention to those on the home page. So think about using this functionality to bring really a showcase to featured products or products that are on sale, limited edition, limited quantities, required, whatever it might be. The product list component is an excellent way to showcase products on the home page. That is the purpose for that feature and that component. Now that's different between the product catalog. The product catalog is a warehouse for all products that have been assigned, that are active, that are associated to this particular store. So again, a product list component is really a marketing tool to showcase products on the homepage, whereas the product catalog is a warehouse for all products. So let's switch gears now and focus a balance of our time in this video on the product catalog and everything you need to know. So here at the navigation, you'll see Shop. So your customers have the ability to hover their mouse over Shop, and here they can elect to view all products, or they can choose a product category or even a subcategory, and they can shop with intention. They can go specifically to the product category or subcategory that really resonates with them. So if they want t-shirts and they want long sleeve t-shirts, they can immediately go to those products, and it's a simple user experience. It's clear and easy. So what I'm going to do now from Shop, I'll just click View All Products, and as the name implies, this is going to showcase all the products that are active that are currently assigned to this store. Now, once I go to View All, I can scroll through and see all those products. I have a large preview and thumbnail. I see the name of the product, the price. I also have the ability to continue to drill down and filter by using the category structure here on the left-hand side. So I can click T-shirts, and I can see all the subcategories that are available. Now, I will point out that if I do click, for example, T-shirts, it will show all of the products that are assigned to the parent category, T-shirts, and then I can choose to really whittle and drill down by subcategory. So really intuitive and simple way for your clients to browse products that are available. Now, of course, your customers can click on any of the products here and go right to the product details screen where they can see sizes available. They can bulk order, add to cart, view all the details for the product. So that's really the user experience as it relates to the front end. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to log into the store, and let's show you all the admin-oriented controls that you can use to really control the products that are available in the catalog. All right, so now that we're signed into this store as an InkSoft administrator, what I can do is now toggle edit mode. And once I toggle edit mode, you'll notice from the left-hand side, you have menu icons. And the first one is products. So as I click products, that allows me to see all of the products that are currently assigned to that particular store. Notice there is a back button that allows you to go back to that main menu. So if you want to go to style or settings for the store, you can easily return to that left-hand menu. Likewise, we compress the navigation and we just showcase icons. So if you hover your mouse, you'll see that you're currently at products, but I can go to style or settings. So here in this view, from the left-hand side, you have a preview of the products. You can see what product you're referencing. You can see in the next column the product name that you've assigned to that product, the SKU. You can see the price. You can see the number of colors and an example of the color for that particular product. And you can also see options. So if I click the option icon next to each product, there's really two options. I can edit the product, and when I elect to edit the product, that will take you immediately to the product details screen for that specific product. So it's an immediate and direct link to the edit product view where you can control everything from the SEO values to pricing to color sizes, you name it. All of those details are accessible with the click of a mouse. Now you also have the ability to remove a product from the store. Now you're not deleting the product, you're just simply removing it from being merchandised and positioned within that store itself. So those are the two options that are currently available. Now, what I want to do is I want to point out the 3 ways to add products to your product catalog. So the first and the most obvious is from this store's product, the store product display that you're seeing now. Now you'll notice there's a blue button that says Add Products. So if I click Add Products, here you'll get a dialog that allows you to search for products. So you can search by name. You also will see a chronological display of all of the pre-decorated products that you have generated. So the first, again, this is chronological, so the newest pre-decorated products display at the top of the list, so you can continue to scroll down to find product. Now I can click the blue icon to immediately add that product to the display on the right-hand side. I can click the little X icon to remove it. And if you add more than one product, I can choose to use the sorting controls here to sort the order of products. Now once I click Done, that of course is going to add those 2 products to my store products display. So as I scroll down, you'll see that those have now been added to the bottom here of the catalog. Now I can go ahead and click Save and Publish to save the addition of those 2 products to this particular store. Or I can elect, again, to edit or remove. Now at the point that you do opt to remove, you're going to get a warning dialog, and this is just a sort of a 2-factor validation to make sure that you're really removing that product with intention, so there's no mistakes. So again, anytime you're done making changes, especially when adding new products, always make sure to click Save and Publish. So with that said, what I'm going to do is exit this view now, and I want to showcase the second way to add products to your catalog. Now let's say that you add a product list component. So in this case, I want to add a product list, and I want to showcase products that are on sale or that, again, are featured. Anytime you add a new product that's not already assigned to the store, it will now publish and display in the product catalog automatically. And that's only logical and that's only reasonable. So for example, if a customer sees a product on the homepage, but they don't see that in the product catalog, that would be confusing, which is why we automatically associate it. So if you add a product here, whether it be adding a brand new product list component, or if you choose to manage products for an existing component, if you were to introduce a new product that's not currently in the product catalog, it's automatically going to be assigned to that product catalog. Now, the third and final way is from the Edit Product view, as you can see on screen now. If you scroll down and right below the available sizes for the product, you'll notice there's a Store and Category Assignment functionality. Now, of course, you can make a product active. You can assign it to more than one store at a time. You can also assign it to categories. So I will bring attention to the value of assigning products to their appropriate categories, because that's what's going to influence the product categories that display here in the shop functionality. So again, in order to have the categories and subcategories display appropriately, that's going to be a result of making sure that you're assigning products to the appropriate category and subcategory mix. And of course, you can always manage your product categories here. On the left-hand side, you'll notice where it says product categories. That's where you can create and name and manage product categories from this interface here. Make sure you're taking full advantage of that functionality. So this has been a tutorial on all things related to the product catalog. If you have questions, if you need any assistance, as always, please reach out to the InkSoft Success Squad. We're here to help you in any way possible.